Hola, welcome. I'm Didier Rombaut from the Data Center Solutions at Cisco, and welcome to the second day of our daily blogger Techminute here in Barcelona for Cisco Live 2010. So today I invited two bloggers, one from NetApp and one from VMware. And gentlemen, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hello, my name is Mike McNamara from NetApp.
And hello, I'm Ernesto on the VMware side.
So I think, welcome. What I would like today to do today is basically talk a little bit about the announcement that Cisco, VMware, and NetApp had yesterday around secure multi-tenancy design architecture. And then talk about some activities that we had with VCE at the Partner Symposium here in Barcelona. Coincidentally, we'll also talk about some meetings with customers. So, Mike, what can you tell us about this announcement?
Sure.
It was a kind of a big deal for NetApp.
It certainly was a big deal for NetApp. We've been a good partner with VMware and Cisco for a long time, and what we announced yesterday was some new capabilities to our relationship and around the header of a virtualized dynamic data center. And specifically, the new capability was, as you mentioned, around a secure multi-tenant solution. And what we mean by that is the three companies worked together and put together a very detailed reference architecture. We followed the Cisco validated design model. Mm-hmm. And in this secure multi-tenant environment, which is an environment in which we're industry is moving to a cloud environment, and within a cloud environment, security and sharing of data is very important. And what the solution provides is up at the top, at the host level, the VMware solution with their vShields and zoning, down at the network level with Cisco with the Nexus family, and then down at the storage level within NetApp, we have a piece of software called Multi-Store, which allows us to carve our storage system into multiple virtual partitions, if you will. And so from the host through the fabric down to the storage, you can have securely partitioned, if you will, storage. So we can have multiple companies, business applications, different business units all sharing that same solution, but securely partitioned from each other. And it's the first of many detailed reference architectures which will come out between the three companies.
Yeah, Cisco is very eager about this validation design, so fully supporting that. And you mentioned Nexus, but I think in the mix we are also unified computing system.
Absolutely, yes, absolutely, and that's actually a very, very key piece of that. And then the other piece, which we're excited about, is with UCS and Nexus built off an Ethernet-based architecture and 10 gigabit Ethernet, and that for NetApp, for our storage, that is a key advantage for us with our support. Right now, the only storage vendor in the industry with support for fiber channel over Ethernet, and we have a long history of supporting 10 gigabit Ethernet with our iSCSI and our NFS and CIFS solutions. So UCS and Nexus and VMware combination with NetApp is a very strong hand-in-glove partnership.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Mike. I think on the side of virtual computing environment, Ernesto, we are moving forward with a relationship with the partner ecosystem.
Yeah, so today we were able to present in the partner symposium that Cisco had to about 75 partners how VMware, Cisco, and EMC were working together on two-way solutions, which now led to three-way solutions. Similar to other three-way solutions, what we're seeing is customers want pre-validated designs, pre-configured integrations, things that allow them to deploy quicker, and at the same time allow them to save and accelerate execution time. So we shared with the partners how we've been working amongst the three companies, what some of the benefits that we saw, and how really this was an extension of how the ecosystem could leverage that pre-engineered work to develop their own solutions or to help customers get to 100% pervasive virtualization.
Another exciting moment, thank you, Ernesto. Another exciting moment today was the meeting with one of the Cisco VMware customers, the group Algrica, and this group, healthcare group actually, is using not only Nexus 5000 with FCOE, which is an interesting story, but as well extensively VMware and the Nexus 1000V. You want to say something about that, Ernesto?
Sure. So we were really pleased with the turnout for that. So Group Agrica is a French-based company. We had one of their data center architects do a customer presentation perspective covering the Nexus 1000V, the Nexus 5000, the Catalyst line, and vSphere, obviously. And it was really great feedback from the audience, lots of questions as to how this was working in deployment. And the really interesting thing that Julien, the speaker, said was that it wasn't so much technology issues that prevented the solution to be deployed or accepted, it was more people issues. To quote him, he said it's very easy to get the networking and the server teams together, but getting them around the table, but it's very difficult to get them to agree to anything around the table. So he talked about how some of the processes and engagement of different groups that haven't been working together in the past actually needs to happen first before the technology is ever deployed. And that's, I think, one of the key takeaways we had today.
So thank you, Mike and Ernesto. Tomorrow we'll have another exciting moment with David Lawler, our VP Product Management for UCS, Unified Computing System, making a presentation about virtualization, data center virtualization architecture during a power session. So we'll keep you updated about that. And meanwhile, have a fantastic evening. Thank you.
Hasta luego.
Thank you.